What's up, guys? Forgot to do the intro earlier, but I did a little shed hunting with Mac over there. We decided to go camping on a lake today. Beach camping, beach winter camping. There's actually a winter storm alert that's coming in because none of this was snow this morning or last night. But this is crazy because where I found the sheds in the last video, all snow. So I don't know if we're gonna go for a shed hunting or just winter camping trip. Probably just a winter camping trip. How's the footage on this? This is a new camera. Audio's probably crap. But I'm gonna get a mic tomorrow actually, then come back out Sunday, Monday, and get some footage of camping, maybe shed hunting if I can. That's such a sick view. Look at that. Right on the lake. No one else out here. No one but me. This is a sick view. With nobody out here. Whew. Probably gonna cook up some grub. Just some chicken noodle soup. Didn't wanna spend money on a nice dinner tonight. I'm only gonna be up here for a day. So this is the gas one stove. I'll leave a link in the description. This thing is sick. Lights up first try. This is the best one burner stove I've ever had. I've had the Coleman, the Camp Chef, everything, and this one's definitely the best one. Except I put the flame out so my noodles weren't cooking, dude. Got the noodles cooking. It's starting to get dark, but almost warm. Getting there. It's been about like a minute and a half. I still can't get over this view. This is crazy. I'm literally like 10 yards away from the lake. What other place can you do this in the winter? This is crazy. So we're getting ready to go to bed. Had a chicken noodle soup. It's pretty good. Tastes like chicken noodle soup. We got the Mr. Buddy running right there. And then we're just getting ready for bed. I can hear the nice calming sounds of the lake right there. I think this is gonna be a good night. No wind, nothing. It's gonna be a good night.
Are making roads slick across the Treasure Valley, and that's causing a lot of problems for drivers. Now, this is what it looked like earlier this morning on the roadways, and just a short time ago from Skycam.
A lot of those homes, they're kind of used to that, but this was a powerful nor'easter on many ends. This is the next storm in Idaho. That was a tractor trailer hitting a state trooper as they were sitting there on the road because of the...
With some snow that's starting to come in. Mountain locations could get as much as 6 to 10 inches of snow. In fact,
where I-84 shut down a few hours ago, and Katya, this was the second interstate to shut down today because of the weather.
Hey guys, we just woke up. It's about 7 o'clock. It's definitely snowed a lot. It snowed like 5 inches last night. I slept pretty good. For some reason, Mac's stomach was gone ham last night. I don't know what was up with that. But around like 11, that stopped, and then went to bed and woke up to this. I think the lake's frozen actually. Let's go check that out. It's more of a slush. Whoa, that's crazy. And then right under that's all. Mac, get out of there, come on. That's the camp. Look at all that snow. That's such a sick photo. Got some cool photos. Tent up there. Got the propane tank out on the ground today because for some reason it wasn't starting in the back of the truck. Snow, and actually knocked that snow off. There's still a little bit of snow on this side. Oh yeah. Look at that. The tent held up extremely well last night. I didn't get any water in it. But it snowed probably 5 inches. Tent did fine. Better than fine. Pretty damn good actually. Only thing that was kind of a little off was the rain fly just having a lot of snow on it, but doesn't matter. It doesn't affect the sleep, anything in the inside, but yeah, did pretty good. I'm probably gonna cook some breakfast. It's not super cold actually for some reason. Okay, I'm starting to get all the stuff out of the tent now. Pretty much everything's out. It's actually a really nice day. Just a little snow. Dead common wind. One of the best days I've actually had camping so far. Tent held up extremely well. No water got inside. I was nice and toasty. I was too hot sometimes and had to turn the heater off. I'll leave a link to the heater and the tent and the sleeping bag I was using down in the description. But it was a nice day overall. Wish I kind of brought a fishing pole because I heard a couple fish jumping out there. I couldn't tell what they are. They're probably carp because it sounded big, but yeah, we'll probably do a time lapse of me putting it away and then get some B-roll of us heading out. Sorry, I didn't have the SD card for the GoPro. I think I lost it when I was trying to switch out the SD cards on the 2 GoPros. But finally got everything all packed up. It took a little bit longer, even longer than normal. Seems like it's been like that all winter because it's been so cold. It's not even really cold out, it's kind of just more wet. But yeah, we're gonna take off. I have to go back into town for Valentine's Day, and then we're gonna come back out Sunday and Monday and get some sick footage. I'll talk to you guys when I get out of here, or Sunday, I don't know yet. Peace. So we just got on the main road. It took about like 30 minutes to get out. It was about 6 inches of snow, nothing too hard. Kind of getting off the beach was a little bit tricky because it's pretty steep, so I just gassed in. Kind of did a burnout all the way up the hill. But I think that we're gonna call out a day. Can't really shed hunt or anything right now because the snow's too deep. And I have to get back into town for Valentine's Day, so we'll catch you guys Sunday. And we'll post this video probably Monday, so you'll see the next video Tuesday probably, or Wednesday, I don't know. But anyways, see you guys, like and subscribe, have a good one, peace.